Hey guys, it's Kira. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. A few days ago, I showed you how I made eggnog and eggnog bread. So being in the holiday spirit that I am, that I'm in, so I decided to make a gingerbread loaf, and it turned out so good. I wanted to share with you the recipe that I used, and hopefully you like it as much as I did. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're excited for Christmas, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to be notified when I upload a new video, which is actually pretty frequently, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell, and then you'll be notified when a new video is uploaded.
Today we're going to need flour, granulated sugar, baking soda, salt, ground ginger, cinnamon, allspice, ground cloves, melted unsalted butter, molasses, eggs, buttermilk, and vanilla extract. And for the optional glaze, we're going to need powdered sugar, milk, and vanilla extract. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then start by combining your flour, sugar, baking soda, salt, ginger, cinnamon, allspice, and cloves together in a bowl and whisk until well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together your melted butter and molasses until incorporated. Once incorporated, beat in eggs until combined. Then buttermilk and vanilla. Beat thoroughly. Now, stir your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients, but do not overmix. Pour into a greased pan. And bake for 55 to 60 minutes. Cool in the pan for 10 minutes. And then turn over onto a cooling rack to finish cooling. For your vanilla drizzle, mix your powdered sugar, vanilla, and milk together until smooth and no longer lumpy. Once your loaf is cool, drizzle your icing over the loaf I hope you enjoy.